Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome. My name's Summer and thanks for joining me on today's video. Today's video, guys, I'm going to be doing a full cosplay into Dorothy. This is the costume I got. I got this in a teen large. I thought it would be okay, but it was way too large. I just always have issues with the sizing of this. So I feel like next time I get a costume, I really need to get out a measuring tape and actually measure myself and go by the guidelines because I don't know what's going on. But anyways, it comes with a full dress that has the little suspenders, a shirt, and then I did also get some little bow ties to go for the hair. So you'll see me put this on. Also, I got the cute little red shoes. I had to get these. I love these little shoes so much. All of these items were gifted to me from the company, so I'll just link them down in the description. So since this video is going up on Sunday, today is Mother's Day. So if any mothers are watching this, happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers out there. I hope you have a great day. So let's go ahead and get into the video. I broke it up into a few different sections. So first I'm putting the whole costume on, just kind of getting prepared. Then I'll do the makeup portion, and then I try to go outside and do a little photo shoot, which it did work, but my neighbors were out that day, literally right behind me, mowing the grass. I was just embarrassed. I thought they were gonna see me. They didn't, but I still went out and did it. I just feel like I need to be more confident with it, and who cares if I'm outside in a Dorothy costume? Oh well, I'm having fun, so that's all that matters. So let's get right into the video. I'm gonna start to put the costume together now. The only white socks I have are these, so I think I'm just gonna chop off this portion and then I can roll it down, and I think this will be fine. Okay, so here's the costume on, and sorry guys, I don't have any full-length mirror, so this is just the mirror in the bedroom that we haven't put up yet, and yeah, the only place I could put it was on the toilet, so you could see most of this outfit. This is the outfit here. So my mom kind of helped me make it a little bit tighter, but it's still not that tight. This part was a lot looser, but we added more Velcro in the back. In the future, I'll probably adjust it more so it does fit me better. But yeah, I think the costume is really cute. The dress is long, it's covering everything. This is really cute, all the little detailing and such. The last thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do some final touch-ups on the hair and that. Yeah, we'll do a cute little photo shoot in just a minute. Okay guys, so that is it. This is the final Dorothy makeup. Let me know what you think. Well, I mean, the whole outfit, this is the final. Yeah, I had a lot of fun with this. I really like doing the cosplays with the full outfits. Let me know if you guys enjoy seeing it. And that is it, guys. Like always, if you want to help support me as an artist and a creator, don't forget you can like this video, leave a comment. You can also subscribe, hit the little notification bell so you can be notified every time I post, which is every Sunday. So I will see you next Sunday for another video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.